Good work. Registered.
I will not tell you.
Some of my very finest encounters with animals have been with sharks.
Local, right?
It is local.
Is it all local?
It's all coming from high-end tourism.
And I want to tell you what Atlantic is all about and what
one region in the world is getting colder, and that is a symptom of
such as plastics, noise pollution, and entanglement.
Looking at here is a NASA science visualization studio. It was a sequence of images that they published online, and it
Look at the state of that. Who's ready for the plastic talk?
I would never sit on live coral. Because unlike Cuba,
we need to use nature to help nature help us to save ourselves.
I'd moved there excited to teach about my subject in plastic zones that we find out in our ocean.
I'm Lauren Bierman from Plymouth Marine Laboratory, and I'm going to talk to you today about plastics and satellites. Taking care of our plastic problem. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Light very strongly in the near-infrared wavelengths of light. Anything floating on the surface of the water, by comparison, is going to reflect. So if we focus on these four areas over here, you should start being able to see a lot of white stuff.
We made it!
Por exemplo, países como a Alemanha e a Holanda têm sistemas fictícios. E você olha os países para ver qual é o seu organismo. A gente percebe, por exemplo, países como a Alemanha e a Holanda têm sistemas fictícios que são baseados para aplicações de energia e são utilizados. Por exemplo, na Alemanha. E você olha os países para ver qual é o seu organismo. A gente percebe, por exemplo, países como
as we decrease emissions, we must also increase ambition on adaptation.
Africa loses $7 billion to $15 billion a year to climate change.
Sunny COP in Glasgow. Heading over to the green zone for my session now. Tim Hortons.
Today, of all time in our country. I
Mujeres indígenas que participan.
So what just happened?
we walked out of a meeting hall, and the person who was walking on next to us was AOC.
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 So that's me leaving the blue zone, off to the green zone.
Alright, here we are at the UKRI stall at the Green Zone in Glasgow. It's COP26.
Place, and I get so.
There we go. That's the end of my COP.